There'll be happiness after me. There was happiness because of me. Both of these things I believe in our history. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Happiness by Taylor Swift. Okay, so for this song, we're going to be playing basic chords. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 4. Okay, so the chords are as follows. So we have, oh, that's a nice twist. That's a nice twist of the chords, but yeah. For most part of the song, we're playing C, right, to G. And then we go to, this is B minor 7, but you can play it as 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, okay? And then E minor, okay? C, G, B minor 7, to E minor. There'll be happiness after me. There was happiness because of me. Both of these things I believe. There is happiness in our history. C, G, B minor 7, E minor, okay? And then the chords change around the last seconds of the second minute. We have okay, so I can make it go away by making you a villain. So that's F to C. This is E minor. I can make it go. Hold on. What chord is that? The third chord. We have F, and then we have C, and then actually that's D minor, okay? So I can make it go away. Go away. Huh, sounds right. Okay, so let's put A minor and G, okay? So that's I can make you go away by making you a villain. I can D minor, C, make you go away by making you a villain. So that's C, G twice. Wow, that's a great twist. So these are the chords for that whole bridge, and then right after that we go back to your chorus. Verse actually, honey, when I'm above the trees, I see for what it is. Yeah. And that's the song, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration on the chords. You can learn them there. If you can't find it, just let me know. I will link it in the description or the comments. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.